Alright, so in the previous lecture, we learned how to install Python on a machine, okay? And right now, in front of your screen, you should have your shell open. So I'm not going to take too much time here. Basically, I'm going to create a hello world program. So in almost every single programming language, the first step a beginner takes is creating a hello world. I'm not sure why that is, but it's always there. So let's go ahead and do that. Basically, we're just going to print out hello world. So it's not too complicated. What I want you to do is type print, okay, so print, and then in brackets, put in quotation marks. So print, bracket, and then quotation marks, hello world. Hello world, okay? So basically what we're doing is we're calling the print function and we're printing out hello world. There we go. So as you can see right from the start, the syntax of Python is very easy. It's pretty straightforward. I mean, as we go on to more beginner and advanced concepts, you'll realize, hey, Python is actually really easy. So this was a simple hello world program, and this was the end of section 1. So we just learned how to download Python. There was a welcome lecture before that, and in this lecture we learned how to create a very simple hello world program. There was nothing to teach actually, I just wanted to get that done with. And in the next section, we'll move on to the basics of Python. So variables, strings, lists, dictionary, stuff like that. So that's it for my side, and see you in the next section.